Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And for your moon energies today, Gemini, we are picking one card. So we will see what it is as we proceed. If you want to skip, guys, I have given the timestamps in the description. You can skip to that part where you want to watch your moon sign. And this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs, guys. Gemini. And if you want clarity, you can watch the pick card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have Queen of Air, Queen of Earth, and Transformation. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who knows what is the right thing for you, what will work for you, and you have your motives and goals, dreams about the future, and you have clarity. And you are trying to make the right choices. So what will definitely work for you in future? You are going for that, and maybe that may be a very difficult thing to do because your mind may tell you something but your heart wants something, and that may push you into making some difficult choices today, Gemini. So maybe you are a very practical person. You want to go for those choices that will work for you, maybe in some projects or it may be in your relationship. Maybe your heart tells you that this is the person, but practically this relationship is very difficult for you. You are not able to, for some of you, find that understanding or clarity. And you have some kind of expectation on this love, and that is not happening today in this relationship, guys. And you feel really stressed, or you were thinking too high or too much of this person. You believed them to be something else. You had an image of this person, but truth is something different, and it is it is simply breaking all that imagination and dreams you had for this love. And there are changes happening in this relationship, guys. Lot of changes happening in this relationship. And you may feel that you are not in a position to face all these challenges, face these stressful times, and you don't know how you can do something in future. Lot of uncertainty, lack of clarity may be there about your future, maybe the way circumstances are going. But in your heart of hearts, you know what you want, you know what will work for you, but some inevitable changes, something in which you are unable to make any change or hold on to something. So these changes are happening by themselves, and you are feeling really helpless today, guys. But Gemini, you need to understand that for something good, for something much better to come into your life, changes are inevitable. You need to understand that. And these changes are here to help you proceed in a positive way in your future. and these changes are needed for that positive future, guys, Gemini. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Ace of Fire. So with this card, it just means that in this relationship today, guys, whatever is happening is what is destined to happen, and you can be happy because your dreams are going to come into reality, and these transformation are the beginning for something positive coming in your life today, guys, Gemini. So for your career circumstances, we have Moon. So there are a lot of things you are dreaming about, and with this card, your dreams and goals, whatever it is, guys, maybe the way you see your circumstances, there are opportunities waiting to come for you, but that has not yet reached you. It is in the shadows, maybe, but it is coming. You can have that trust and hope. And maybe you may feel lost today because you feel that it is not happening, offers are not coming, and maybe some work related deals or whatever you do, you are not seeing anything new. But there are huge opportunities waiting to come today, guys, and this may be the time for you to have that trust in your future and have faith, hoping for the best for you, having positive intentions. So for your moon energies, Gemini, we have full moon, surrender to the divine. So this card just means that maybe in your life today, you are reaching that, some kind of a conclusion. There is a turning point coming your way, and maybe in some case even some kind of an emotional explosion. So you must be ready for that, and you must see what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. You must think for yourself honestly and find out what you truly feel about your circumstances right now, and see whether your dreams or wishes are going to come true. But this is a positive card, guys, so maybe all your dreams and your expectations may come true today, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So, whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So, maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never, hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition. Whatever it is, the intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.